Correlate, to place in or bring into mutual or reciprocal relation. Welcome to the world of education standards correlation. K-12 education content standards are created by states, school districts, and individual schools to define what students should know in core areas of instruction. eLibrary editors correlate standards for all 50 states and the District of Columbia. National standards, including newly created Common Core Math and English, Next Generation Science, and 4 Canadian provinces. Editors in eLibrary gather and process standards from each state's Department of Education website, then editorially match or correlate standards to content in eLibrary via a correlation database. Correlating educational standards involves matching specific and relevant eLibrary content with specific standards within a subject. Access to these correlated standards in eLibrary can be located at the bottom of the Advanced Search page. Then, from a drop-down list of the states, provinces, and national standards. Clicking on Montana State Science Standards, for example, will bring up all standards correlation for middle and high school science for that state. The standards are formatted in a tree structure. As you click further down into the tree, for example in high school biology, broad learning standards are introduced that can be drilled down to more specific standards. After clicking on See Resources, a selection of links to eLibrary documents are displayed. Clicking on Cell Biology then will show matched eLibrary resources that were correlated in the correlation database by an editor here in Louisville. After initial results are found on the Browse by Topic page, a specific topic can be accessed by clicking View Results, which finally shows a topic results page. Along with topic results, a research topic page created by eLibrary editors may also be displayed. A research topic is a special page embedded within the first page of the topic results that features unique content about that particular topic. Full view of the research topic can be accessed by clicking on the Expand This Document tab. So by now, I know you've been wondering, how do editors correlate education standards? In the MediaSeek Correlation Database Manager, of course. Just as the eLibrary product is formatted in the form of a tree, so is the case in our correlation database. As we previously did in the eLibrary product, we can also drill down in the tree to find specific standards to correlate. Here is where the nuts and bolts of correlating educational standards takes place. Resources within the correlation database are based on resources in eLibrary's topic tree editor. The topic tree editor is arranged in, yes, you guessed it, a tree format. Designated resources in the topic tree, called Teacher Web Packets, are loaded into the correlation database where they are made available for correlation. In the correlation database, then, searches for these designated Teacher Web Packets can be performed and saved for correlating to specific education standards. To correlate the specific Montana standard on cells, we can search for the specific teacher web packets that will satisfy this particular standard, like cell biology, proteins, and carbohydrates. After saving these resources in a holding spot, it's only a matter of clicking the appropriate boxes for the resources. then the grade bands 9 through 12 for high school, and finally the correlate button. We have now successfully correlated this standard. If you recall from earlier in this session, these were the same resources we saw as we drilled down in the website. After correlating a state subject is finished, it is usually made available within the next business day on the eLibrary website. Well, that's it. I hope you have learned a little bit about how we correlate education standards and how it all fits into the scheme of the eLibrary product. Thank you for watching and have a good day.